Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction Weekly video series. I am BL Guru. Last week, Nifty broke above 18,000 as expected, but the break did not sustain. The US inflation data that was released on Tuesday played a spoil sport. The sharp rise in the US core inflation triggered a fall in the Dow Jones. That sell-off continued all through the week. In turn, Nifty fell below 18,000 on the back of the sell-off in the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones has more room to fall from here. However, on the charts, Nifty is not looking as weak as the Dow Jones. Let us look at the charts and see how far the Dow Jones can fall from here and how it can translate into a fall in the Nifty. This is the quarterly chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The maximum downside possible on the Dow from current levels is the trendline support coming up at 28,350. Broadly speaking, 29,500 to 28,350 can be a strong support zone for the Dow. The current fall can halt very well in this broad zone. That will be another 4 to 8% fall from the current levels. Thereafter, we can get a fresh rise for the Dow Jones. Nifty has an immediate support at 17,300. Below that, on the weekly chart, the 55-week moving average support is at 17,172. This is the pink line that you see on the chart. A trendline support is also at 17,150. Nifty will come under pressure only if it breaks below 17,150. In that case, it can fall to 17,000 and 16,750. But we prefer the Nifty to sustain well above 17,150 and trade in a sideways range of 17,150 to 18,100 for a few weeks. The rise to 18,400 that we had mentioned last week will now come into picture only on a strong break above 18,100. Nifty Bank Index has come off from the high of 41,840. It has strong support in the broad 40,350 to 39,350 region. This support can limit the downside from here. The overall picture looks bullish and the Bank Nifty can rise to 42,500 in the coming weeks. To sum up, the weakness in the US markets is likely to keep the Nifty subdued. The Dow Jones has room for another 4 to 8% fall from current levels. This can drag the Nifty also lower. However, on the charts, Nifty is not as weak as the Dow Jones. Nifty has supports at 17,300 and 17,150. We expect Nifty to remain above 17,150 and be in a sideways range of 17,150 to 18,100. Thereafter, Nifty is likely to break above 18,100 and see a fresh rise. Nifty will come under pressure only on a fall below 17,150. In that case, it can fall to 17,000 and 16,750. Bank Nifty is looking strong. It has support in the broad range of 40,350 to 39,350. As long as the index stays above this support, a rise to 42,500 is likely in the coming weeks. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen.